Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your account type because Outlook handles Exchange differently than POP or IMAP. Once done, close other programs to avoid file locks and pick a local or external folder for the backup so you have a clear destination. Now open Outlook and go straight to File. This gets you into the export controls without delay. You're minimizing risk and preparing an organized path, so backups complete faster and you can validate the file location after export. You'll now export the mailbox to a PSD. First, go to File, then Open and Export and choose Import/Export. Select Export to a file and pick Outlook data file, PSD, because it captures messages, contacts, and calendar items. Next, choose the account or specific folders and be sure to include subfolders so nothing is missed. Make a decision on duplicates, then click Browse to set a clear file name and destination. This step creates the portable backup you can copy or archive. Finish the process by clicking Finish. You can add a password for extra protection, though it's optional. Make sure to note the file size and last modified timestamp so you can verify integrity. Once complete, copy the PSD to an external drive or cloud storage and label versions to maintain a clear retention schedule. If anything goes wrong, PSD corruption or import errors, run the inbox repair tool, Scampst. exe to repair the file, and restore from the most recent healthy copy if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.